Hello, this is Ju. Hey, look what I have here. I have an iPhone 7, and although it's already in a protective case, it doesn't have any kind of screen protector. And so that's what I want to do today. I want to install this tempered glass screen protector. Okay, so I went ahead and removed the outer case. You don't want that on when you install these tempered glass pieces. This kit came actually with 2 tempered glass pieces. I'll take that off in a second. Also, it came with a little cleaning wipe here and actually some cleaning wipes with some alcohol. That helps if it's really dirty, you can use one of these. I think I'll just use this little cleaning wipe there. And it comes with a little dust strip here. It's just a little tacky piece. You take it off and you can kind of dab and clean off any excess dust. I'll probably only stick with this little wipe. I think that will be sufficient for my purposes. And this kit actually comes with these little hinge stickers or screen protector lift stickers that you can use to help place the tempered glass before it actually adheres on permanently. And I'll show you how these work. Now this is the tempered glass itself. They come with little tabs. So we're going to be, once we peel this tab back, it'll expose the surface that will actually adhere to your phone. This side is going to be the surface that you're actually touching. This side, once it's sealed, that will be what applies it actually to your phone. But before we actually apply this, we want to get the phone as clean as possible. So you do want to wash your hands just to try to remove as much oil from your hands before you clean your phone. And after you clean your phone as best you can, try not to touch the surface of your phone. If you apply the screen protector with some oil residue, the oil residue will be there forever and you'll probably see it. So just try to keep your phone as clean as possible during this procedure. Okay, so next the application of the screen protector itself. Now this little tab is going to go downward because when you peel this off again, this part is going to face your phone. And so the first thing you want to do is just try to position it as good as you can in the location you want it. And then when you kind of have it in the right position, you want to use these little tabs to essentially adhere, basically make a hinge on one side so you can lift this up, peel off this portion and then lay it back down. And when you lay it back down, it'll be in the proper position. Now I've used these in the past and they're not as sticky as I like, so I'm actually going to use just some regular tape instead. I think these stick a little bit better. You could use what comes with your kit or just some regular tape. Either one will work fine. So I have my little tape strips ready at hand and I'm going to position this. Now you do have some holes there. You have your button here, and so you're just trying to position it so it's in a nice location, and then go ahead and apply your tape. Now after you apply your tape, if it does shift, you could always kind of lift up your tape and try it again. So don't think that the tape is the permanent position. You want to double check, make sure it's kind of where you want it. And it's generally, I could probably get a little bit better, so I'm going to lift it up just a little bit more. Maybe shift it over a little bit. Apply. And as you can see, now I've kind of created a hinge. And it doesn't really stick that well, so I'm going to add a little more tape to make sure it does not fall off. And this is why I like to use the tape, because I could use a little extra. Okay, make sure it's in the proper position. The hinge seems to work very well. Good. Alright. Okay, so before I take this little sticker off here, I'm going to just make sure it's clean one more time on this side. You don't have to clean this side since this will peel off. And just like that, put this back down. So what I'm going to be doing is using this hinge, lift this up, and then I'm going to take off this little layer on this side I don't want to touch this once I remove this little clear sticker, and I don't want to touch the phone. Now when I layer it back down, you're going to kind of see a line, and hopefully no bubbles form, but you'll kind of see it kind of extend and kind of bond to your phone. Now it's not a permanent bond, you can always peel it back up, but it's a little bit difficult to get it back down properly after this. So we're just going to try not to touch this too much. Oops. Well, this tape is not perfect, so let's just peel this off. There you go. And now when I layer this, you'll probably see a little dark line come. So I'm just going to touch it here and then kind of pull this way. So drop it, and you'll see this. You see that? And hopefully no bubbles form. And there you go. There is a bubble over there, and if you look, there is a couple of bubbles on the edges there. So we're going to try to work those out, and it's fine to touch it at this point. And we're just going to try to push these bubbles out as best we can. Push these bubbles out. And we could remove the tape. There you go. It took me a little bit to get that bubble out there, but I think I got all the bubbles out. And there you go. Your tempered glass is in place and ready to protect your phone. So I hope this video helped you out. If you enjoyed it, please hit that like button at the bottom of the screen and even consider subscribing to my channel. I'll have many more videos to come. Bye-bye.